How is it going? Welcome to my channel, Motoverse Official. If you are watching my videos for first time, this channel is all about bikes. Enjoy. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about the TVS Scooty Zest 110, a scooter designed specifically for city commuters, new riders, and especially women looking for an easy-to-handle ride. Lightweight, stylish, and super practical scooter that doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. You're in the right place. Who this scooter is made for. The TVS Scooty Zest is aimed at urban riders, especially women, college students, and beginners. It's designed to be light, nimble, and easy to control, making it ideal for daily use in city traffic. It slots between the smaller TVS Pep Plus and the bigger TVS Jupiter, offering the perfect balance of power and convenience. Now, let's talk about design. The Scooty Zest 110 has a very youthful and attractive design. The front gets a sleek apron with vertically stacked indicators, and above that sits a halogen headlamp. Simple, but effective. The body panels are sharp, and the scooter has silver oak floorboard paneling, which adds a premium touch. At the rear, there's a beautifully integrated LED tail light, flanked by halogen indicators. Overall, it's compact, stylish, and easy to handle in narrow streets and tight parking spaces. Despite being budget-friendly, the Zest 110 is packed with practical features. You get 19 liters of under-seat storage, which is one of the best in the segment. It comes with a USB charging port and a seat lamp, useful at night or for charging on the go. There's also an open glove box for small items like wallets or water bottles. You'll find dual luggage hooks, making grocery runs or carrying bags very easy. Safety-wise, it's equipped with TVS's sync brake system. It applies both brakes simultaneously when you press the rear lever, improving stability and safety. Additionally, the easy center stand reduces the effort needed to place the scooter on its main stand by 30%. All these features make the Zest not just convenient, but also well-equipped for daily life. Now let's talk about the heart of the scooter, its engine. The Zest 110 is powered by a 109, 7 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine that delivers 781 PS of power at 7,500 RPM, 8 Newton meters of torque at 5,500 RPM. The scooter weighs just 103 kilograms, which means the engine doesn't have to work too hard, making it feel quite peppy in city traffic. Acceleration is smooth, throttle response is light, and it effortlessly handles stop-and-go situations. As for fuel efficiency, TVS claims a mileage of up to 62 kmpl under ideal conditions, while real-world mileage typically hovers around 48 to 50 kmpl. With a 9-liter fuel tank, you're looking at a practical range of nearly 250 to 300 kilometers per full tank. The Zest 110 scores high on comfort and ease of use. Seat height is just 760 millimeters, which makes it easy for shorter riders to handle. The seat itself is wide and nicely cushioned, great for both short and longer rides. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks up front and a monoshock at the rear. It absorbs most bumps and potholes well, offering a smooth and comfortable ride on city roads. Handling is light and responsive, especially in traffic. The 10-inch tubeless tires help with stability, although they could have been slightly larger for rougher roads. One drawback: no disc brake, only drum brakes at both ends. But again, sync braking system compensates for some of that. Mileage is a big concern for buyers in this segment, and the Zest delivers. TVS claims a fuel efficiency of up to 62 kmpl under ideal conditions. Real-world mileage is typically around 48 to 50 kmpl, depending on how you ride. It has a 9-liter fuel tank, so you can expect a range of roughly 250 to 300 kilometers on a full tank, perfect for city use with fewer fuel stops. The TVS Scooty Zest 110 offers customers a choice of 6 different colors to choose from. These colors include matte black, matte blue, turquoise blue, matte red, matte purple, and pearl white. For more information about Scooty Zest 110 Gloss Series, starting at 74,676 rupees. Ex-showroom matte series, priced at 76,439 rupees. Ex-showroom, the on-road price ranges from 89,500 rupees to around 91,500 rupees, depending on variant and insurance. It's available in 5 vibrant color options across matte and gloss finishes, making it especially appealing to younger riders. Let's break down the Zest pros and cons. Pros: excellent under-seat storage, lightweight, and easy-to-handle, peppy performance for the city, affordable price, sync brake system, and USB charger, included, practical, stylish, and simple to maintain. Cons: small 10-inch wheels can affect ride on rough roads. No disc brake option, taller riders might feel cramped on longer rides. But honestly, considering the segment and price, these are minor compromises. So to sum it up, the TVS Scooty Zest 110 is a fantastic option for those looking for a lightweight, value for money, everyday city scooter. It's especially suitable for college students, women, and anyone new to riding. If your priorities are mileage, ease of use, storage space, and stylish looks at a budget, the Zest 110 should definitely be on your list. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Got questions about this scooter or want reviews of other models? Drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to cover it. If you have watched till the end, thank you very much for watching the video. Want to get updated about bikes first before anyone else? Hit subscribe and stay notified. See to the next video. Till then, be happy and ride safely.